Hi all, welcome to GDITS. Okay, in this video we are going to see, okay, let me take it. All right. We are going to see day 1. Day 1 concepts are studio overview plus create framework and implementation application, and we'll cover CSA point of view question and answers. Okay. So in first part I'll cover overview. What are the 4 Pega studios and how to create a operator ID, how to create a framework and implementation application, and finally I'll show you 5 CSA certification questions on the same topic and 5 real-time Pega interview questions on the same topic. Okay, these are the things we are going to see in day 1 video. Okay, let's see. So as I told you in previous video, Pega has 4 types of studios. One is App Studio, another one is Dev Studio, third one is Admin Studio, and finally Prediction Studio. Okay, so I'll show you where it is. After login to the Pega, you can see the top left corner. There is a drag down. So if you drag down here, you can see Dev Studio, App Studio, and Admin Studio and Prediction Studio. What are these and what is the purpose of the studios? I'll tell you here. Okay, so what is the purpose of it? App Studio, see, this is the App Studio. If I click here, it will go to App Studio. App Studio looks like this. Once it loads, then the screen will come, App Studio screen. I'll show you. So what is the purpose of App Studio? App Studio is used by business users. App Studio used by business user. What is the purpose of it? Case types and UI and data. So design the case types and design the UI interface, design the data models. So App Studio will use for it. So who will use it? Business users. So why the business users will use it means it is easy to work. It is easy to work. So the business users don't, they won't have that much knowledge on development. So they will simply use App Studio to develop the small applications. Okay, what is Dev Studio? So I'll show you how the App Studio looks like. Okay, this is the Admin Studio. This is the Dev Studio, and this is App Studio. Okay, all right. And last one is Prediction Studio. Once it load, I'll show you. Okay, let it be. Who will use App Studio? Business users will use the App Studio. What is the purpose of it? Design the case types, UI design, and data. So this is not that much required. Just for overview, I'm giving you. Okay, Dev Studio used by the developers. Why developers will use Dev Studio means advanced logics and rules integrations. These concepts are available in Dev Studio, so we can develop the complex applications using Dev Studio. Okay, Admin Studio will be used by admins to monitor the job schedulers, nodes, and queue processors, and creating operator IDs. These all tasks will be done by the administrators in real time. Okay, Prediction Studio used by the data scientists for AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning predictions. These things are not required for CSA certification point of view. This is the major thing we are using in the point of CSA certification. Okay, we are using Dev Studio and sometimes we'll use App Studio. These two things are enough for crack the CSA certification. So in next video, I'll show you how to create a operator ID, and I'll also cover the some 5 CSA questions and 5 real-time interview questions. So hope you remember the our project concept. If not, just go through the previous video. The link will be provided in the comment sections. Thank you. Oh, let me show you Prediction Studio. This is the Prediction Studio. So how the Dev Studio looks like. This is the Dev Studio. This is the App Studio. This is the Admin Studio. Nodes, agents, we can monitor from here. And this is the Prediction Studio. Okay, in next video, I'll show you how to create a operator ID and how to create a framework application, how to create a implementation application. Until then, bye bye.